Welcome, and my name is OPPO Reno, and today I'll show you how to use the GamePad with certain games. So for this I will be using the GamePad, the Xbox One, which I think is the second iteration of it because it's one that comes with Bluetooth capabilities. The original one, when Xbox got first released, didn't actually support Bluetooth, so keep that in mind. And basically, to connect it, all you need to do is hold the pairing button right here till the light starts blinking, as you can see right now. And then you can find it in your Bluetooth devices right... Whoops. Right here. And once you pair it, it will become solid. There we go. So you can see it's not blinking anymore. And from here, certain games supported by default. So for instance, Call of Duty will have support of it just naturally. So launch it. Now I'm launching this for the first time on this device, so that's why there's a couple things I need to agree to. As you can see, it already detected. I have the OK, and next to it you have the button that you need to press. So as you will see, we'll press the A and it continues. So I'm just gonna use the controller behind the camera so it doesn't get in the way. But as you'll see, I'm not touching the screen at all, and I'll be able to control it. Once it actually loads. Now there's still certain things you'll need to interact on the screen. So like tapping on the guess, whatever to log in, tapping on play. As you see, there is no way for me to actually do anything. Nothing really seems to be affected here. So you do need to tap. Tap on start. Okay, now as you can see, now the controller has a little bit of a sway. If I move the thumbstick, it starts automatically going down. It's not necessarily calibrated correctly, but as you see, oops, select, yeah. As you can see, I'm moving this with the controller itself, as you can see. And everything works, so zooming in, firing, stuff like that. Reload is under X, I jump, crouch. Now I'm not necessarily the best when it comes down to using a controller, so keep that in mind. I just try to get someone, and then I'll actually move on. Oh, well, that's nice. Yeah, the sway of the controller doesn't actually help at all. It constantly moves down, so I need to readjust it. Now this is the fault of the controller, keep that in mind. It's nothing to do with the game itself and how it operates with it. So oh, that's nice. Whatever, okay. Let's move out, because this is kind of pointless. I'm only dying here. Now, as you can see, I also have a couple other examples. So, for instance, Black Desert supports it fully. Now, it's a nice looking game, but not really much there to do. Just want to quickly show how this would look. And as you also see, there is on the home screen there was PUBG. Now PUBG has no way of supporting the controller, so there's options, or at least there were options before, to try to get it to work using, for instance, something like a Octopus GamePad remapper. And what it basically did is just allowed you to remap the buttons on the controller to, okay, so as you can see, works normally. Also, you have the button laid out on here, so you know what you can press to launch something. And you normally move with the thumbstick, one to rotate character. So as you can see, this works fine too. Hopefully I can actually quit this easily. For some reason doesn't want to bring up the menu, so offer. Just launch something else. Okay, there we go. For some reason doesn't want to bring up the navigation keys. Okay, so I'll just kind of go in there quickly, just as an example. And now if you're using some other devices, not let's say this one, there's two that come in my head. The Asus ROG phone 1, 2, both of them are supported, and I think the Razer phone, they both of the manufacturers bring their own key remapping softwares to the device itself, so it's built into it. So you will be able to remap it like you would do, for instance, using Octopus. Now, Octopus doesn't at this moment work almost at all, in my opinion, at least not with like games. So you can try it later on. Maybe they will update it to the point that it actually functions. But as in the use of with PUBG, PUBG completely doesn't allow it even. So if it detects it, it will kick you out of the game. So if you try some cheeky stuff, they might even ban the account for this. So I would discourage from trying that. But as you've seen, for instance, Call of Duty supports it naturally without any problem, and it works fairly well. But yeah, so this would kind of conclude what I wanted to showcase here. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.